smiles. Hey y'all. Well, I just showed y'all a whole bunch of stuff that I have. And now I'm going to grab my Stitch Fix stuff. Oh my gosh, y'all. It all came in the mail today. Well, actually, some came yesterday and some came today. So this is my Stitch Fix. And I just showed y'all my haul from the hospital gift shop. Some people think that's really sick, but I think it's really fun. Of course I would. Alright, so let's move all that out of the way. Let's get out a pair of scissors. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and start right into this. So, I'll be honest, I know that I picked some things out. I don't need scissors. I picked some things out and I don't remember how they all go together. So what I do like about the packaging is it's very simple and easy to get into. You just pull this and open it. And if you don't like stuff, they always enclose a return label. I don't see it. Looky there. So I keep all that together. Alright, I thought that it actually comes. Oh, look at this. Okay, this comes in a nice kind of whatever cloth bag, but it has a zipper. What is it? I don't know. Shoes! These are shoes. Oh, these are cool. Okay, so I wanted something that looked a little Gucci-ish. What do y'all think? Yeah, because it's got a buckle like a Gucci. And I thought, you know, I just need some flats. I need more and more flats, but I want my flats to be interesting and I want them to be fashionable. Whether I wear them with blue jeans or plain old leggings. I wouldn't wear these with sweats, but, or if I wanted to wear them with a short skirt, you know, or I wouldn't wear really flats with a long skirt. I wear heels with a long skirt, but I don't really do that much anymore, y'all. So this is mainly for blue jeans and leggings or just crop pants, that kind of thing. And this little, it looks like a horse bit. That's why it looks kind of like a Gucci. And I thought that was really cool. And I like the fact that this is kind of the snake skin or reptile skin. But instead of gold, it does have a silver buckle. I wear mostly gold now, but we'll see. And I'm hoping this will fit my size. And it is from Franco. It's called Franco Sarto. S-A-R-T-O. Franco Sarto. F-A-R-N-C. Oh, okay. So let's go to the next thing. This is easy. It's easy to do. Hauls this way too. Okay. So what's in here? So Stitch Fix. Why can't I say it? Stitch Fix. Stitch Fix. Stitch Fix. Stitch Fix. Stitch Fix. Anyway. They always put this nice little wrap around it. So it's kind of harder to get it out, to be honest. Like this. And then they have with it the little item that it comes with in case it either doesn't fit or you don't like it and you can return it. What the very first one that I had actually came with a return label that, let me make sure this says something. Okay, it doesn't, so be very careful to keep it with what it goes with in case this sweater doesn't work. But what it did have was a plastic mailer. So now I could just use that, put the label on the outside, scratch out the old address, and use that as my mailer. Okay, it comes with this little stitch. Thank you for your purchase. We think it's going to look amazing. Want to make a return. Either label included with your order or prepaid envelope provided with any fixed return within 30 days of purchase. What was 2 to 3 days. Which I do think, here's what I've learned. Do it as quick as possible because you'll forget and then you got to pay for it. Okay, so now this is called Skies Are Blue and it's the Dagana lined jacket in camel. And I've been choosing 1X's because I was afraid that sometimes it's Asian size, and that's not to sound discriminatory. They're much tinier, and so when you get things that are Asian sized or Asian modeled, they're like 2 to 3 to maybe even 4 smaller than what my size actually is what my experience has been. That's my personal experience, and I can speak to that. So this jacket I got in a 1X. It actually is a hair big, but I'd rather that than it being too tight. So this is what it looks like. It is a sweater, just so you can see, it's just a sweater. And then on the front, where the panel is, just so you can see, it's a suede. And you can fold it back like that, and it's got this little fuzz. It's not real. I don't think the suede's real either. It's probably a super suede, which is, you know, like a fake. And same thing here. This is fake. This isn't real fur. But it's just kind of a cool look to put, you know what, that t-shirt I showed you, put that in my hospital gift shop video that I just uploaded. To put this over that would look so cool with a pair of jeans and some booties. And a leather purse that's like that color. That would look so cool, y'all. So I'm definitely keeping that as long as it fits. And at that size, I think it'll fit just fine. So there's that one. Alright, what else did we get? I don't remember anything small. What is this? Okay. There we go. Let's keep that together. Alright, and you can see it comes in this little nice simple packaging. This will probably go into 2 videos because I got a lot, y'all. Thanks for purchasing again. It explains how to do the return again. Y'all, this is the way to shop. I want it sent to me. And as long as you can get your size right from then on, they've done a very good job. And you know those shoes that I just showed you? They would go great with this. Actually, this would go great under the sweater I just showed you. It's just kind of a plain black top, but it's got kind of a salt and pepper of kind of a creamy white and almost a cinnamon color. And it's kind of a v-neck tie. The sleeves are gathered right there. As far as what's underneath, I do not see anything. Did I miss something? Did I miss? Oh, I did. I sure did. Good. I like this. It has a tank top for underneath, so it's not see-through. And I love that because you could also use this for lots of reasons. You've got a black tank top that came with it, so as long as it's fit, please tell me it's a 1X. What you do is when you set up your account, you tell them what your sizes are. And I said 1X on most things instead of extra large because, you know, I'm kind of large chest. And, yes, 1X. And it is made in China. I'm trying to do things made in the USA. But anyway, so there it is. That goes underneath so you can't see. And that would be really cute with a pair of black slacks or a black skirt and a little like ankle booty heel to go out on date night with your hubby or just to hang out. It's super soft, so I really like that. Again, because of the sizing, and it has proven so far to work, I don't think it's going to be a problem. So there's that one. Okay, what's next? Is this one? Is this another pair of shoes, or is this the same shoe? I think, what is this? I don't know. Okay, so it's another one of these zipper ones. Let's see. I thought that was shoes. Maybe it is shoes. Or maybe it's jewelry and accessories. I don't know. I don't remember. Oh, it is shoes. And it's so cute. I wanted a pair of bright flats. Something fun that you could just have a plain white shirt and a pair of jeans and put these red flats on and feel like you had an outfit. And that is cute. And also this is a mesh, a very breathable mesh, but because it's a pointy toe, it's wide here, but because it's pointy toe, it looks a little fancier than just a round toe. And there's no real heel to it, and it's a flexible sole. So I thought, I hope this fits so bad. This is by Mia, because I love the shade of red. And I have a purse that would just pull it all together. So that's very cool. Y'all, I'm really loving this. And last but not least, one last one. We'll pull it apart here. I haven't done any purses yet, y'all. I have so many purses. I don't need to order purses. But y'all saw I got one at the hospital gift shop. What is this? Something printing company. This is not from Stitch Fix. Should I do a separate one? I think so. I think I should do a separate video for this. Let me see how close we are to the end. So it will be completely separate. I think I should, y'all. I think I should do a separate video because this is not Stitch Fix. I don't want you to be confused. And I actually do want to talk to you about this latest order. So anyway, y'all, I love my purchases. I think they're all going to work. And what happens is, if you like everything that you get, you pay for it and you keep it. If you don't, you return it and there's no charge. Isn't that cool? Except for, I think the first time there was a $20 designer fee, meaning they pick everything out for you. You're paying a person to be there and to pick out all your outfits and make sure that they know your profile, know what you like, learn your style, learn your fashion, know your sizes, know manufacturers and how they fit to those sizes so that it's a win every time. And I feel like this is a win every time so far. I think last time I did send back the black jacket, but I'll tell you why I sent that jacket back, y'all. It was the perfect black jacket. My husband says, babe, do you really wear jackets anymore? And I was like, no. Especially ones that look kind of business-like, which was how that one looked. Even though it did have fold-back cuffs, I thought, I'll wait and I'll get something a little more casual. And like this sweater jacket, I think that's better for what I do now. Anyway, love you guys, and I'll see you again in the next video. I hope I don't trip like I did coming into this one. Love y'all. Bye-bye.